Bangladesh-Pakistan T20I series news. Members of the dog squad have completed a thorough inspection around the Mirpur Sher-e-Bangla National Cricket Stadium, ensuring that there is no security threat at the venue. With a secure environment confirmed, the Bangladesh cricket team wrapped up an intense training session ahead of their T20I series against Pakistan. Opening batsman Naeem Sheikh expressed optimism, saying, "As the home team, we have the advantage." Captain Liton Das also noted many of Pakistan players have experience playing in the BBL on this very ground. So, just like us, they are familiar with the conditions during the match. The wicket will behave equally for both sides. Bangladesh is looking to bounce back from a disappointing series loss against Pakistan in their last T20I meeting, where they suffered a 3-0 whitewash. The Tigers are entering this series with fresh momentum, having recently defeated Sri Lanka 2-1 in closely contested T20 series just 4 days ago. The first T20 between Bangladesh and Pakistan will take place today at 6 p.m. Bangladeshi local time. However, there is a 50% chance of rain which cloud affect the match. If conditions remain favorable, fans are hopeful for a Bangladesh victory. MD Shazumina, Global Sports English.